Hello, my dear kids. This is Chetan sir. So, after seeing the heading of this derivation, you already came to know that we are going to derive the expression for acceleration due to gravity at a point above the surface of the earth. Okay. And first of all, we are going to draw a diagram of earth, my dear kids, so that we should show that uh, it should be done properly. And my dear kids, this is the diagram of earth, and we are drawing radius as well of the earth. So my dear kids, this is point P and this is point O. Fine. Now at this point, my bachcho, the gravity will be small g is equals to capital G m divided by r square. Okay. So we came to know that the expression for acceleration due to gravity, expression for acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth will be small g is equals to gm divided by r square. Take this as equation number 1, bachcho. Okay. And we should know that my dear kids, we should know that for the next, when we are taking that the acceleration due to gravity at this point q, the expression at this height, at height h, or else you can take this as expression of acceleration due to gravity at a point q, any point q from the surface of the earth. You can see. So my bachcho, the expression will be, you know what, now the expression will be g dash at this point. At this point, acceleration due to gravity at this point will be g dash. So g dash is equals to what? Capital G, capital M will be constant in this case also, but the radius will be r and the height will be h. So bachcho, the expression will be r plus h whole square. Take this as equation number 2. Now by combining equation 2 and 1, equation 2 by 1 can be written as, you know what bachcho, g dash by g is equals to gm divided by r plus h whole square, whole divided by gm divided by r square. So gm and gm get cancelled. Fine. So this can be written as g dash by g is equals to 1 by r plus h whole square, whole divided by 1 by r square. So this can be written as 1 whole divided by r plus h whole square divided by r square. Can be written as, my बच्चों, you know what, इसको कैसे लिखा जा सकता है? So it can be written as like this: 1 by 1 whole divided by r plus h divided by r raised to whole square. So r can be split to the two of the terms in the denominator. So it can be written as r by r plus h by r raised to minus 2. So this can be taken as g dash by g. Now my bachcho, g dash by g can be taken as it is. So 1 plus h by r raised to minus 2. On applying binomial theorem, we get, okay, what we get, bachcho? So it can be written as g dash is equals to g into the bracket 1 minus 2h by r. So this is the last expression, bachcho, and you can keep on mark to this. So this is the right answer.